I wanted to explain how I used and created the narwhal with these discs. So this first part is going to be about the disc, and then the second part will be me actually making the soap. So you can see here I'm making the large piece first using my jerky gun. Now you can see that as this starts to come out, it's not even, it's missing part of the tail, a little bit of the tail was broken, and it does twist a little bit. Just get it going. You can see that I'm straightening it just a tad. I'm being very gentle. You don't want to pull too hard because you could break the tail, but you should be able to kind of gently straighten it as you push. You can trim off the end. The biggest thing is that you want your soap to be well conditioned and completely packed together, so it shouldn't have gaps or bubbles. That way you get a clean extrude. So that's the first piece of the narwhal. Now I am doing the two smaller pieces. For these I can use the 23mm extruder. I didn't show them extruding here because I was completely off camera. All I'm doing now is kind of painting the piece with distilled water, and now I'm going to attach it. So attaching this, I had to work it a little bit to get the pieces together so that there weren't any gaps. You can see how I'm just kind of gently going back and forth. You don't want to push too hard and misshapen any part of it. So just kind of hold it, rotate it, and gently push all the pieces in. Then I am applying the horn, which again, pretty simple. Just paint some distilled water and then gently place the horn in. So there you have it. Pretty simple process to create the narwhal. I attempted 3 different designs. I am showing you the last one because that was my favorite. So enjoy, and you can see